Welcome to PrimeXBT. In this short video, we'll give you an overview of how to start with the PrimeXBT trading platform and briefly present the platform's features. The account dashboard gives you an overview of your personal multi-currency wallets, your margin trading accounts, information about the top-performing co-vesting strategies, and your co-vesting portfolio. By clicking on a specific wallet, for example, Bitcoin, you'll access more information about your holdings and transactions. From here, you'll also be able to deposit and withdraw your funds. Multi-currency margin trading accounts allow you to access global markets and trade such products as gold, Bitcoin, Forex, indices, and more. Go long and short to profit from both rising and falling markets. You can use any available currency to fund your margin account and start trading. Co-vesting allows platform users to browse through hundreds of strategies provided by other traders and automatically copy their trading activity. With co-vesting, you can achieve the same returns as the leading traders on the platform. The left-sided menu lets you access the following sections. Referrals. Here, you can find a personalized sign-up link that you can share, allowing you to earn a commission every time your referred clients execute a trade with PrimeXBT. Reports. Here you'll find detailed information on your trading history and transfer history. The Settings section lets you change the language for the account interface. Your reference currency. Turn email notifications on or off. Change your password. And enable the Google two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection for your account. After turning the two-factor authentication on, you also have the option of receiving price alerts and information about your trades with the help of a Telegram bot. PrimeXBT is a user-friendly platform that offers a variety of features and trading tools for both beginners and professionals. In our next video, we'll show you how to fund your personal wallets and get your account ready to place your first trades.